number 52. Okay, page number 52. Vocabulary. What is meant by vocabulary? We all knew, which means words. Okay, so synonyms means meaning. Each and every word have different words with same meaning. Okay, the meaning will be same but the words will be different. Okay, that's what here we are going to learn. Read the following words: caring, fond, affectionate, dear. Okay, four words are here: caring, fond, affectionate, dear. Okay, so four words, but all these four words have a same meaning as loving. Okay, all these four words have a same meaning as loving. So synonyms meanings are different words with similar meanings. Okay, underline this: different words with similar meanings. Again, they gave some example as tiny, pony, and little or synonyms of small. We all know the word small. So, the same meaning but different words: tiny, pony, and little. Okay. Now, they are given on exercise for us. Use the synonyms given in the box below to complete the sentences. So here in the box we have some words and also we have some sentences. Okay, so we are going to choose the correct word. Already see here A as well B, two sentences are there. In the first sentence they have given the word. Okay, for example, first one: he is a well mannered dog. Okay, so the word is well mannered. We have to choose the word with the same meaning as well mannered. Okay, are you ready to do? Come on. First one. He is a well-mannered dog. Yes, he is very dash. So, well-mannered means well-behaved. Okay. Well-mannered means well-behaved. Write down. Yes, he is very well-behaved. W-E-L-L. Well. B-E-H-A-V-E-D. Well-behaved. Now, number 2. My mother has packed some delicious sandwiches. So the word is delicious. Okay. My mother has packed some delicious sandwiches. Oh, really? My father and I made some dash sandwiches too. So what's the meaning of delicious? Tasty. Okay. Oh, really? My father and I made some tasty sandwiches. Tasty. Tasty sandwiches too. Number 3. Are you scared of insects? Are you scared of insects? So the word is scared. Not much. I am a little dash of spiders. I'm a little afraid. Okay. Scared means afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D. A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid of spiders. Number 4. The people in this town are very rich. The people in this town are very rich. So the word is rich. What is the meaning of rich? Which means wealthy. Okay. You're right. They are quite wealthy. W-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Wealthy. You're right. They are quite wealthy. Now number 5. It is a lovely day. It is a lovely day. So the word is lovely. Yes, it is a dash day. It is a beautiful day. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Yes, it is a beautiful day. Have you all completed? Fine. Now come to the next page. Adjectives, which means degrees of comparison. What is meant by adjectives? Words which are giving more information about noun or called as adjectives. Okay, words which describes or which gives more information about the noun or called as adjectives. Okay, so degrees of comparison in the sense, if we compare one noun with other noun, So that is called as comparison. Okay, if you are comparing one with other, that's called as comparison. So if you are comparing one noun with the other noun, it's called as comparing two nouns. Okay, while comparing two nouns, you have to add or with the adjective. Okay, E- while comparing one thing with the other noun, one noun with the other noun, you have to add or with the adjective. As well, the keyword is than. Okay, as well the keyword is than when comparing one noun with the other noun. While comparing more than two nouns, okay, while comparing more than two nouns, the keyword is the. As well, you have to add est with the adjective. Okay, so if you are not comparing one noun with the other noun, if there is only one noun, then it is called as there is no comparison. Okay, there is no comparison, we are just adding the adjective. Okay, so there are three kinds of noun: no comparison, comparing two nouns, comparing more than two nouns. So if you are not comparing anything, if there is only one noun, then you have to add the adjective. If you are comparing one noun with the other noun, the keyword is than, and you have to add or with the adjective. If there is more than two nouns, the keyword is the, and you should add est with the adjective. Okay, now look at your book. Degrees of comparison. Adjectives are often describing words that give us more information about noun. Underline this: give us more information about nouns. When we compare the qualities of two or more nouns, we use degrees of comparison. Okay, first, no comparison. When we talk about the quality of one noun and no comparison is being made, we use the adjective as it is. Okay, underline this: use the adjective as it is. So December is cold. Okay, now comparing two nouns. When we compare the qualities of two nouns, we usually use the form adjective plus or plus than. So already I told you. Look at the example. Underline this: adjective plus or plus than. Okay, comparing two nouns. Underline this too. Quality of one noun means use the adjective as it is. Quality of two noun, adjective plus or plus than. The example is January is colder than December. Okay, we are comparing the month January with December. So the keyword is than, and we added or with the adjective. Okay. For some adjectives, we can't add or with the or. So for that, you have to use more. Okay. For some adjective, we can't use er. For that, you have to add more. And also, while adding est, while comparing more than two nouns, for some adjectives, we can't use est. So instead of that, you should use most plus adjective plus, okay, the most adjective. Okay. Now look here. Hachiko is more affectionate than any other dog that I know. With affectionate, can we use that as affectionator? No, that is not a correct word. Okay, so for that we used more affectionate. Okay, now comparing more than two nouns. When we compare the qualities of underline qualities of three or more nouns, we usually use the form the plus adjective plus est. Underline this too: more plus adjective plus than. Underline this: the plus most plus adjective. So the example is I have played with many dogs. Hachiko has the dearest manners. Dear, dearest. Then the plus most plus adjective for that example is of the many pets I have seen, Hachiko is the most well mannered. Okay, of the many pets I have seen, Hachiko is the most well mannered. For the word well mannered, we can't use that as well manneredest. It's the wrong word. Well mannered is the proper word. So if you want to show that it is that we are comparing more than two noun, we should use most with these kind of words. Okay, now look at the table to revise. Comparing short, no comparison, comparing two nouns, comparing more than two nouns. Let's just read. Okay, then it will be easy for you to understand. Tall, taller than, the tallest. Bright, brighter than, the brightest. Now come to the next page. Comparing long adjectives. Interesting, more interesting than, the most interesting. Beautiful, more beautiful than the most beautiful. Now, some cases for comparing the qualities of noun, we need to change the adjectives. Okay, so good, we can't say that is gooder or goodest, and also we can't say as more good or more most good. It's good means better, best, bad, worse, worst. Okay, now here are a few spelling rules to remember. Big, bigger, biggest. For some words, while in degrees of comparison, while changing, you have to add, you have to twice the last letter G, B-I-G, big. So you have to twice it, B-I-G-G, and you have to add E-R or E-S-T. Okay, that's what here they given. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. For some word, you have to just add or st. Okay, nice, nicer, nicest. Late, later, latest. Then for some word, you have to replace y with I and you have to change it as ier or iest. Tasty, tastier, tastiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay, fine. Now come to the next exercise. We are going to use this there or than. Okay. Read the following sets of sentences. In each set, the adjective is underlined in the first sentence. So already they underlined the adjective. Okay. Use correct form of the adjective to complete the other two sentences. Remember to use the or than whenever needed. Okay. Sorry, wherever needed. First one. Basketballs are small. B. Cricket balls are dash than basketballs. Smaller. Cricket balls are smaller than basketballs. Comparing cricket ball with basketball. Golf balls are the dash. Golf balls are the smallest. SMALLEST. Because we are saying among all the balls, only golf balls are the smallest. Okay. Second one. This silver ring is expensive. This gold ring is dash expensive, more expensive, MORU, more expensive than the silver ring, THAM. C. This platinum ring is dash, the most expensive, the most expensive, EXPENSIVE. Okay. Now, third one. Palm trees are tall. Pine trees are usually taller than palm trees. Okay. TALLER. Taller. THAN. Taller than palm trees. C. Redwood trees are known to be the tallest. The tallest. TALLEST. Now, fourth one. The tiger is a big animal. The rhinoceros is dash the tiger. The rhinoceros is bigger than the tiger. Okay, big, bigger than, BIGGE or bigger, THAN, bigger than the tiger. C. The elephant is dash of all three animals. The elephant is the biggest of all three animals. THC, the BIGGEST. BIGGEST, biggest. Okay, so that's what degrees of comparison. Now come to punctuation. Pronunciation. Okay, so already we are learning, all the classes we are learning a new word with their pronunciation, right? So that's what here they have given. Say the following words aloud: ant, sip, boot, mud, core, bed, hot. Okay, repeat with me once again: ant, sip, boot, mud, cow, bed, hot. Okay, so each of these words have a vowel sound. Okay, so what are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U, and each of these words have these vowel letters. Okay, so repeat these words from after your teacher. Again, they have given some words with short vowel sounds, words with long vowel sounds. Okay, bit, come on, repeat with me: bit, sip, bull, men, foot. Now, words with long vowel sounds: beat, seep, boot, mean, fool. Okay, these are words with long vowel sounds. Now the next one is describing words. Describing means adjective. Okay, so here describing animals. So words, we are using adjectives to describe animals. Okay, we are using words, I mean adjectives to describe animals. Here they described about Hachiko. Okay, we know this about Hachiko. Hachiko is a golden brown Akita dog. He has small dark eyes and erect ears. He stands with his tail curled over his body. He has very soft, warm fur. He is very friendly and affectionate. He likes to play and share snacks from children's snacks boxes. He is very well mannered and loyal. Okay, here they gave some information about Hachiko. While describing some about something, we will use is and has. Okay, see, my dog's coat or fur is long, short. It is tiny or huge. It has a short bushy tail. It is a pet or god or service dog. It has or does not have spots on his or her coat. Okay, while describing about something, we will use is as well has. Okay, that's it. Now come to talking about numbers. Practice this: 500, 1000, 10,000, 900, 5,000, 50,000. Okay, also practice this too. The next conversation, practice this dialogue. The dialogue is in between customer as well salesperson. Okay, how much is that bicycle? It's about bicycle. It's about 5,000 rupees. We are talking about, this dialogue is about uh, buying bicycle, and the conversation is in between customer as well salesperson. Okay, how much is that bicycle? It's about 5,000 rupees. What is the price of the scooter? It will cost you 2,000 rupees. And those ice skates, they are 1,000 rupees, ma'am. Okay, they are saying the information. So that's all. We almost completed everything. So learn the book exercise. Okay, and now it's time for your assignment. Come on, take the first page, page number 47. Page number 47. Here are the pictures of a few such dogs. Okay, do you know their names? Use the name in the box to fill in the blanks appropriately. Here they have given some words as German Shepherd, Chihuahua, Pug, Rajapalayam, Dalmatian, Dachshund. Okay, so and also the pictures over there. You have to find the name of those dogs and you have to write in the correct proper column. Okay, that's what you are going to do, and this will be your assignment. Okay, so find the name of the dogs and write it properly. Okay, that's it.